Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to use Google Trends for content creation. So first thing, just simply go to trends.google.com, and guys, this will be their homepage. And after that, just simply go to explore over here on the second tab. And from here, guys, if you are focusing on content, I recommend selecting web search over here. And from here, you could go for YouTube search. So from here, guys, you will have an idea who is performing well in the YouTube, and you could get the content idea. So from here, just simply select a location. And after that, to narrow down, just simply select a niche that you would like to dive in deeper. So let's say my niche will be sports. So I'll select sports. And now here we will have multiple options for content creation, and you could select any keyword from here. And once you click on it, as you can see, it will redirect us to another one, and we will have here a list of related topics as well. So let's say I'm gonna go for Mike Perry fighter over here, and from here we will have multiple options as well. So that's pretty much it. Just simply play around with these filters, and you should be able to get some content idea for your creation. There you go. See ya.